So there's a handle to my trolling motor. Like an idiot, put my trolling motor on the trailer, and the handle caught one of the guide poles. And you can see the damage I did to it. So that's on me. I need to pay better attention, but we're gonna fix it. Fix it is a donor motor that has a bad lower unit. This is the same motor, so we're gonna scavenge parts off of this to fix mine. And you keep the sucker apart, see how much damage I actually did. So I ripped the, that's the display for the, ooh, still has power. That's shot. Clips back here. Okay. All right, cool. So that just clips in your readout for your battery power. Just clips into the top, but that's junk. All right, let's take apart the donor to replace that. New lid. Now I'm going to take a screw right there to get the handle off. So what I sheared off on mine was this piece here that attaches to the plastic wheel. Oh, it does slide right off. Look at that. Why isn't this one? Why my wheel isn't coming off. Took some elbow grease to get that thing off, and I can see why. It is crusty. I took the switch out of the donor motor and it looks in much better shape. Had to take a Dremel to the contacts, clean those up, so I think we're just going to swap out the switch while we're in here. that is working. Getting that sucker out is going to be a bitch. You know what? I'm going to put this screw back in to hold it, and then I'll drive a screw in so I can pull it out. Probably only going to get one shot at this. So let's hope this works. Got a little bit out. I'm gonna put it in my vise. Punch myself in the mouth, but it's out. So that's the little plastic piece that was down in there. Which that plastic piece that was stuck in there was the other side of this. So now So here's my rebuilt trolling motor. From the donor motor, I took the top cowl and the inner wheel that attaches to the switch. And I broke, when I broke the top piece here and flipped that up, obviously this piece is screwed into the inner handle and it snapped that off. So I didn't do too much damage to it, but top cowl, inner wheel, and that's pretty much all I needed to get her back up and running. So there you have it. Rebuilt my trolling motor that I screwed up. But lesson learned, pay better attention. Cool thing is I found something on the donor trolling motor that makes this worthwhile. I took this original switch out of mine, hooked everything up, ran it to my battery, and I'll be lo and behold, it actually works. So I'm going to take the time, order some parts, and rebuild it so I have a backup duplicate trolling motor. Smash that like and subscribe button so you don't miss it, and I will see you on the water.